Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is a more button available for us with the three dotted icon. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will land over here where it says the settings, guys. Over here just above my notes, tap on settings, and on this interface again we'll be required to tap on the appearance, which is just above the general at the bottom, guys. You can see, tap on appearances and you will land over here where it says the choose a theme. Over here currently the light is available. Now in order to turn on the dark mode on Viber, tap on dark and the dark mode on Viber will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.